Here's one of our keto diabetic diet staples. I lost 100 pounds in the last year. Today, I'm gonna show you a way to be able to have your Fathead pizza anytime that you want, quickly and easily, to be able to get it meal prepped so that you can have it anytime you want. Instead of spending the 40 minutes it takes to go ahead and make it, it'll be ready in 5 to 10 minutes every time that you want it. Quick and easy. Let me show you my process. All right, so I go ahead and mix up the Fathead recipe. I always do a double batch. And then what I do is I take a large ice cream scoop like this. I take a tortilla press, like so, and then I'm gonna go ahead and throw down parchment paper. We're gonna go ahead and get 2 scoops for each small pizza. We're gonna take 1 scoop. We're gonna take 2 scoops, put it right on top of it. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and fold over our parchment paper like that. We're gonna go ahead and pull up the press like so. We're not gonna squish it too hard, but we're gonna go ahead and bring our press down until it comes out the edge just a little bit. There we go. All right, so then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pull it up, and right here, we have a perfect little pizza ready to go. Now, if you see here, I have one that's done sitting on the cooling rack. I've got 2 more ready to go into the oven. I cook it 10 minutes on the first side, 5 minutes on the other. You let them cool down, and then you throw them in between parchment paper in a gallon-sized bag and freeze them. All you do is you whip them out of the freezer when you're ready to eat, put your sauce, your cheese, your toppings, put it in the oven for 10 minutes, and it is ready to go. Throw our pieces together. Cheese and toppings, and our little creation is ready to go in the oven, right next to one who's getting ready to get cooked. Our pizza is ready to party. Let it cool for 5 minutes, cut, and enjoy. Ready to eat, pliable, yummy. Nice and chewy, just like when we all used to have pizza regularly. You can't beat it at all. Hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for enjoying the recipe. If you have not already gotten a copy of our Scared of Needles, How I Lost 100 Pounds in 1 Year, please make sure you check the link below to get yourself a copy. It got me to get my A1C regular, lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure, got rid of fatty liver, obesity, and of course, no longer diabetic. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.